All right. Assignment demonstration for the proof of concept for the final project. For this, I have hard coded. Basically, this UI is to demonstrate a version of my SIP project that will be used in a mobile application. Getting the API call and everything together is going to be a totally different story, but the overall idea is very simple. This is very proof of concept. So I hard coded one of the humorous insults that was generated by the model and the definitions for each of the words that are used. It's very simple. For my actual final one, I'll probably hard code a bunch of them in here just because it'll be easier than I'll be able to initially get that finished for the final presentation, which we're going to do here in a bit. And it'll be a lot easier to put it together that way. I'll just build a big number of examples here. I'll probably build a dictionary that probably has each key will be the insult, and then for the value, I'll have a small array of strings that are the word and the definition or something similar. Figure that out as we get rid of it or get it. I've also got talk to speech here, so this is through this import. Importing everything is speech from Expo Speech. Excuse me. And it actually is really straightforward. Just like the one I've used in Python before, text to speech is actually really easy to implement. Style sheet's a little bigger than my other ones, but here we've just got the button that has the generate insult. Here we've got a view that is it will generate or display the text of the insult, and let's load it in Android. And then the text right here just lists like vocabulary words right above the area there that will display the definitions. So this right here, the words map, item and index, and then the key, and then the title, it adds the word, and then adds the index plus one. So it's basically pulling whichever, if it's word one, it's indexed at 0, so the plus one is in there. And this view will display the text while playing the text to speech. I do need to add the functionality into this application so that when a button is pressed that has a text to speech process running in it, so it'll probably be like an async function that I'll have to wrap this in, but we'll have to make sure that it interrupts the current text to speech process and then starts a new one, so that way you can interrupt, like if you accidentally push the wrong button, you can interrupt it by pushing another. But here's how it works. See, it displays the text, and then here it displays the text. The sound obviously only seems to want to work on the web version, but
You ludicrously obstreperous malcontent. Ludicrously, in a way that is so foolish or unreasonable as to be amusing. Obstreperous, noisy and difficult to control. Malcontent, a person who is dissatisfied and rebellious.
that's it.